Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we will study poem 6, The Road Not Taken. Okay. The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost, please pay attention to understand the poems. Dear student, the poem Road Not Taken describes the dilemma of a person standing at a road with diversion. This diversion symbolizes real life situations. Sometimes in life too, there come times when we have to take tough decisions. We could not decide what is right or wrong. Okay, for us. Dear students, driven by our hopes and ambitions, we take a decision taken by fewer people. We think that if fail to seek accomplishments, we could get a chance to change and start again. However, we travel too far and have to regret at the end. Also, it is possible that we could become an extraordinary persons because of that one conditions. Thus the road was not taken. Okay. This is introduction. Dear students, in the first stanza, in the roads diverse in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And we one travel home, and I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it went pant in the undergrowth. Dear students, in these lines, the poets symbolize that there is two choices. Okay. A poet is standing in the diversion of a road. There is two roads, okay, and he is finding difficulty to make a choice to being a traveler and stand a long time for it to in the road, and there is something. He went in the roadway. Okay, dear students. Then he took the other as just as far, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and vented weir, though as for the facing there had on them nearly about the same. Dear students, as he thinking that one of the roads can be better for me by these hopes, he chose the second road, which was generally grassy and with full of leaves, and he go through these. And both the morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden blade. Oh, I kept the fast for another day. And knowing how way leads on the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Dear friends, in this way, he chose the second roads, which is generally not traveled by anyone. It was not stayed by anyone. It was full of grassy and full of leaves. And he also know that if my choice is not good, then I will come back and choose the second one. Okay. And I shall be telling with a sigh. Someone wakes and edges hands, 2 roads divided in the wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Because he chose the second roads, which were generally not used by traveler, to know that if my choice is good, not right, then I will change. I know the change and I want to know the difference, so I will take the second road for this. Okay? And that was what is the difference. You want to know the difference of these 2 roads. That's why he chose the second roads, which Buddha generally not used by or not traveled by anyone. Dear friends, I have explained this poem very well. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay? Till then, thank you.